Toyota's restored Supra is weeks from dispatch, as the official disclosing is good to go for the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. The game's auto, grouped together with BMW, won't be sold with Toyota identifications, and will rather highlight the Gazoo Racing nameplate. Insiders guarantee the new Supra will come in four unique conditions of tune: as the fundamental Supra, as a Supra GR, as a Supra GR Sport, lastly as a Supra GRMN. Expect a noteworthy hole in execution and cost between the base Supra and the GR with varieties in suspension tune additionally likely. The Supra will be by Gazoo, the execution division, Shigeki Tomoyama, revealed to Auto Express before the end of last year. The news comes after it happened that the Gazoo Racing Group turned out to be all the more vigorously engaged with the auto's advancement, after Toyota President Takio Toyoda tried the vehicle and chose it should have been more versatile. Model autos have since been given a greater amount of an edge to what was a genuinely amiable beginning setup. The Supra's sister vehicle, the BMW Z4, is normal in showrooms 1 year from now. However, Tomoyama indicated that the Gazoo creation may not touch base until the second 50% of 2019. While the BMW will be sold just as a convertible, the Supra will be a settled rooftop roadster. It's reasonable that the Gazoo badged auto will utilize greater, 6-chamber motors, as well. As the proprietor of a 600 bhp carbon fiber-bodied past-age Supra, Gazoo manager Tomoyama said that the new auto should draw in enthusiasts of the great models. The new car has to appeal to the existing owners first, he told us. The old cars had a straight 6 engine, twin turbos and rear-wheel drive. The new car must have the same philosophy. There's a shot Toyota and Gazoo will look to their Le Mans race autos for included half-breed tech. The new model is set to weigh in the vicinity of 1,200 kilograms and 1,500 kilograms, with Gazoo utilizing the BMW M4 Coupe and Porsche 911 as benchmarks. Likewise with all other GR models, for example, the Yaris GRMN, the organization will offer a broad scope of secondary selling tuning parts for the new game's auto. Costs will be reported nearer to the auto showroom make a big appearance. Do you think the Gazoo Racing Supra will be a win without Toyota identifications? Tell us below.